Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. I hope this is going through. Today is Sunday, Passover. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Sunday, it's Passover. It's Passover. Today is the day that Jesus came home for the census. Or I guess it was the census. I don't know. I can't say for sure. I use the Bible and I use history to tell my story. Jesus had a cross. Martin had a dream. Malcolm got a gun. Shorty got a toilet. We all got a shit to deal with. Today's Passover, and we're going to pass over a lot of shit here. See that? That's Donnie Moses, Baltimore City Police Department. And Donnie Moses has been knowing about this since I started this, because I started this in 2006 with that Stop Snitching video. Y'all sent a lot of brothers to jail behind the war on drugs in Baltimore. Y'all like rounded up neighborhoods. Y'all disenfranchised the community, and y'all made fatherless families. I'm an advocate for inmates and homelessness. When I first came here in 1991, I came in straight out of the penitentiary on an interstate compact. I was showing you about the prison industry then, and I'm talking about the prison industry now. We got a man up and we're going to stand up in 2020 because, like I said, I was making a movie about y'all. Now, in this video are emails. If you go to all the people that's tagged in this email, then you can see what I'm talking about. You feel me? You can see what I'm talking about. I don't want no misunderstandings because, like I said, this is about being black in America. This is about your rights being protected. I went home on vacation. I came back on probation. I'm a member of Out for Justice. I'm a member of the West Coalition. And I'm going to just give you a tapestry of this here. That's the Baltimore City Police Department. Right there. And that's Governor O'Malley. I was telling you I was talking about your policing. And that's me, a champion for justice. That's the Department of Justice. All right? That's the Department of Justice. And that's me. I'm a member of Out for Justice. I also got this award. And I'm fighting for the 13th Amendment. That's what this toilet was about. When I started this, I made it perfectly clear what this was about. It was about your prison industry, mass incarceration, and the treatment of blacks in Baltimore City and Baltimore County. Now, this 10 years gone, because see, revenge is a best served cold. Like I said, Malcolm had a dream. Martin had a dream. Malcolm got a gun. Shorty got a toilet. We all had our shit to deal with. This is my toilet. This is my toilet. Art and activism. And I'm using toilets for my activism. I asked to be deported. I wanted to give up my citizenship in 2010. All right. I wanted to give up my citizenship in 2010. All right. Matter of fact, I sent this to the census. See the date? It's about 2 weeks before y'all locked me up. It was like 20 days before y'all locked me up. All right. It's making a movie and a documentary about your politics and your politicians. Your politics and your politicians. I was making a movie about y'all. I was making a movie about y'all. Now, if you go to Senator Antonio Hayes today, go to Senator Antonio Hayes today, and he's gonna give you this. He's gonna give you this book. I Am Dred Scott. It's a movie. I'm showing you slavery in 1857, and I'm showing you slavery in 2020. And this, I do believe, is the movie release. It's in the book. for filming a documentary. See that? I got everything lined up. I am Dred Scott. It will be bought and sold and treated as ordinary articles of merchandise and traffic whenever profit could be made. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation cotton for cocaine and we the cash crop. And y'all got mad that I made a movie about my freedom. It was about Gov.O'Malley, Chief Johnson, Greg Bernstein, and Scott Shellenberger. Y'all got the dissent decree in Baltimore City, but it ain't in Baltimore County. And I went after Baltimore County. And I was a Baltimore City resident. I went to jail. All right. Right there. Spring Grove Medical Hospital. We talking about opioid abuses. We talking about abusing inmates. We talking about abusing powers of the state and how you can just do anything to anybody. I signed my movie release. Parole and probation. I signed my movie release. You got an hour and a half video that y'all ain't played to the city. My movie was about being black in America. Moses parted the Red Sea. Shorty parted some rednecks. And I put it all on film. Not only did I put it on film, I gave it to your elected officials. I gave it to Kurt Anderson. I gave it to McIntosh. I gave it to Mary Washington. I gave it to your elected officials, white and black. Stephen Lafferty, y'all got this. Sitnor got this. Dred Scott was a slave in 1857, and he applied for his freedom with the Supreme Court. So just like Dred Scott, I'm approaching the Supreme Court. This is the position you in. It's like you between a rock and a hard place. You're between the mud and the dirt. And I'm going to show you how this Constitution works. This is the Supreme Court. United States Supreme Court right there. That's a writ of certiorari. Here goes the packet. All right. Supreme Court. It takes $300 filing fee to file this docket with the Supreme Court. And this is what we're going to do. If my elected officials do not give me access to the grand jury, if my elected officials do not return my property, if my elected officials do not compensate me for my losses, we're going to the Supreme Court, babe. Right there. I got my paperwork. $300 docket fee, dog. I can raise $300 in 20 minutes. That ain't going to be the problem because I'm going as an indigent. I'm going to the court as free because we putting the Constitution on trial here. We putting the law on trial here. That's what this shit was all about. I'm going to show you the black faces selling out black Baltimore City and black Baltimore County. I'm going to show you the black faces and the white faces that keeping slavery alive. Like I said, go to Senator Antonio Hayes and get that book. Everything that I say, I'm going to leave you shook. You go to Antonio Hayes. You go to Kurt Anderson, McIntosh, Mary Washington. All of y'all, dog, we playing the name game here. Banana and the Ramo, yeah. We're going to play the name game. Because, see, y'all locked me up in 2011. Y'all ain't compensate me for my losses yet, and I keep fighting for my freedom. While I was locked up, we're going to make this perfectly fucking clear. See that? That's February the 2nd, 2011 at 8:53 a.m. at the States Attorney's office. At Greg Bernstein's office. Same thing, make you laugh, make you cry. That's the Department of Justice, Patrick Fitzgerald, 219 South Dearborn Street on the 5th floor, dog. Tampering with legal mail is a federal offense. And the state destroyed evidence in my property. The state did that. Scott Shellenberger did it. So here we go. Like I say, I like details, and the devil is in the details. This is the Department of Justice right there. See that? United States. That's the Department of Justice. Trial attorney. Because like I said, we either going to the Supreme Court or we going to the grand jury. It don't matter to me. Because money counts itself. And now I'm going to give you the art of getting money. The art of getting paid, y'all. In 2007, I went home on vacation. I came back on probation. I called the state of Illinois before I went home, and you can contact Judge Boris. You can contact Judge Boris, Judge Rossetti, Judge Stark. You can contact them judges, Judge Foreman, and the chief of police. Now, this is from 2010 for y'all locked me up for that bomb threat. Because, see, the state of Illinois took a videotape, and that videotape was exposing the corruption in Baltimore City, Baltimore County, and Lake County, Illinois. Now, this is perfectly legal for all y'all legal people. Dwayne G. Davis, Shorty, Dred Scott. That's notarized right there. That's a public service. That's notarized. Y'all got that before y'all locked me the fuck up. See the names on that? President Obama, Lisa Madigan, Patrick Fitzgerald, Director of the FBI, Quinn, Martin O'Malley, Lake County Board, Judge Bell, Carl Snowden, Eric Holder, Secretary of State, Hillary Clinton, because I was renouncing my citizenship, Senator Cardin's Judiciary Committee, Karen Parks, Fox 45, Roland Ascot Martin, with his ascot wearing ass. Martin, TV One, Black Voices, Baltimore officer, the NAACP, State Attorney Schellenberger, ABC News Charles Gibson, and Don Lemonhead, that lemon drop kid. All right? See that? If Schellenberger got this letter in 2010, Schellenberger should have never locked me up. Schellenberger locked me up to cover up the crimes in Lake County. All right? It was the art of getting money, because y'all get money off of the war on drugs. See that? Art of getting money. Never try to play a player, never try to pimp a pimp. I'm going to show you how to make $1 out of 13 cents. See that? President Obama, Governor O'Malley, Governor Ehrlich, Barbara Mikulski, Richard Sher, Judge Souter, Congressman Rupersberger, Police Commissioner Belfield, Bernstein, Kathleen Pugh, Ben Jealous. Now on this list right here, I done chased Governor O'Malley off the streets. Governor Ehrlich take pictures with me. Barbara Mikulski almost had a heart attack. I put that camera in her face so much. Man, y'all better ask somebody. Richard Sher did the first story on me on Hard Look. Judge Souter presided over my case. Congressman Rupersberger got a shitload of evidence that he don't want nobody to see. Police Commissioner Belfield had this from the beginning. Now, Commissioner Belfield got a son-in-law, not a son-in-law. Commissioner Belfield got a sister. His sister got a son. Commissioner Belfield's sister's son was locked up. Asking what he was locked up for. State Attorney Bernstein, Kathleen Pugh. Kathleen Pugh is the main witness in my shit. Now y'all locked her up. And y'all see this from 2012. This 2020. So Kathleen Pugh been sitting on this shit a long ass time. That's Benjamin Jealous, NAACP. Like I said, my paperwork in order. Here we go. That's Philip Davis and Governor O'Malley. And if look at the little corner over there, that's the security team. If you look at that little black face right there, that's Jerome Stevens, Pastor Jerome Stevens. That's Senator Cardin's lackey. All right. This says right here, Barbara Mikulski, 2009, filming a documentary about the prison industry. This right here is from 2009. It says block parties get bigger and better. See it right there? Y'all can read, can't y'all? Because I can't read and do everything. I'm the cameraman, all that shit. It says Davis, who owns a pit beef stand. Yeah. We came out our pockets with this. And you see who had it? Y'all can call these numbers. Senator Edwards had this in Washington, D.C. Lieutenant Governor Brown had this in Annapolis. Barbara Mikulski, Dutch Rubersberger, Branch had it. Cummings had it. And y'all had it coming. It says Video Vigilante, a voice for the underclass. Got a story called Shorty. Dog, my number ain't changed. That number ain't changed. It's the art of getting money, and it's your prison industry. This is from President Barack Obama. All right. He was Senator Obama. All right. I was locked up. That's Kerry Cogwa. Please allow 30 to 60 days. Dog, this been like 13 years and ain't nobody said shit to me yet. That's received February the 5th, 2008, Attorney Registry Disciplinary Committee. All right? Because I turned in your judges and your lawyers that get paid to lock us up. Oh, y'all gonna love this shit. This is Rob Fix in the state of Maryland. That's governor. That's my case number right there. Case number 08040068212. All right. November 2011. Governor O'Malley, all legal material. That's notarized. Like I said, I took y'all to court. Y'all denying me access to the court. So y'all can choose what y'all want to do. Do it the easy way or the hard way. Y'all chose to do it the hard way. Dog, y'all just prolonging an excruciating agony and an ass whooping. Y'all excruciating ass whooping. That's what it is. See that? That's 2012, Spring Grove Medical Hospital. Because I filed a complaint against the treatment of inmates in Spring Grove Medical Detention Center. All right. That's Doug Gansler right there. All right. Y'all was doing opioid abuses and y'all was testing medication on inmates. And I turned y'all in while I was in there. I wasn't wasting my time while I was there. I got a Jailhouse Diary. I got a Jailhouse Diary from Illinois. That's the Department of Justice. Inmate number 39 what? P.O. Box what? Waukegan, Illinois. Dated February 2011. I gave you Illinois and I gave you Maryland. This was filed with the courts in 2000 and what? 9. That's John Bailey. That's my lawyer. That's the property you took from me in 2007. That videotape. This is the ACLU. All right. That's my case file with the ACLU. Case number 12-0648. I got a hell of a paper trail, dog. This is Judge Turnbull. And if you look at the second paragraph, no, let's go to the third paragraph. This on file at the courts. Y'all can go get a copy of this Freedom Information Act. It says Shellenberger has violated his oath of office, theft of property, trespassing, crime. Yeah, y'all tried to violate me in Maryland and send me back to Illinois. Dog, I ain't no dummy. I know how to defend myself. And you see who got this? Governor O'Malley, the ACLU, Terry Owens from ABC2 News, Chief Justice Boris of Lake County. Yeah, Hardin, Cummings, Mikulski, Maryland's lawyer. And it's notarized. We don't want no misunderstandings. It's notarized. That makes it legal in any state in the United States. Like Dred Scott, I'm doing my own paperwork. These other supporters are shorties. See that? Now they had they had an order for Pilot Turn to turn over my property and never turned over my property and they never compensated me for my losses. Shellenberger should have never gave Pilot Towing my property because it was evidence for the terrorist charges. So the contents of the truck should have been inventoried in the police lockup. It should have been in my property lockup. Should have been in my shit. Everything inside the truck was my evidence against Shellenberger. You feel me? There goes my subpoena for Pilot Towing. 1999 Chevy Suburban. Truck keys, videos, cameras, yeah, movie releases, film footage. Y'all had all that shit in my truck. And y'all need to compensate me for that shit. I had 13 movies, 13 storyboards. Each one of those movies was worth $10 million. I was selling them as a packet. Because like I said, I was headed out to Las Vegas. You can go check out Southwest Airlines, Dwayne G. Davis, leaving Baltimore, Maryland on February the 10th at 7 a.m., coming back on February the 13th on the midnight flight. I had court on February the 28th in Baltimore City for a $54 million lawsuit I had. So why the fuck would I threaten to blow up the courthouse? And that's why I got to go get paid. Illinois, inmate number L39345, P.O. Box 38. Thank you for your recent correspondence to the Chicago District Office. I am responsible for issues such as yours and have contacted the Illinois Department of Corrections on your behalf. Feel me? That says Kerry Cogwa, Constituent Services, Office of Senator Barack Obama, 230 South Dearborn Street. And in that same office is the FBI. No, the FBI is on Roosevelt in Chicago. The Department of Justice is in the same part there. That's Patrick Fitzgerald right there. 219 South Dearborn Street, the 5th floor. See the date? Tampering with mail is a federal offense. I had mail coming from Illinois and mail coming from Maryland. Read the back. Like I said, I don't want no misunderstandings. Baltimore is a city of reads. I was or am making a documentary, and I named the public officials, all right, involved with the play-to-play system. You feel me? Named them. I use Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and MySpace. Named them. Like I said, today Passover, and y'all ain't gonna pass over me. To prove I was making a movie about racism in the judicial system, that's what that toilet was. That's what this toilet is. I got a toilet on the back of the truck, and I'm getting ready to go clean it up. It's called Build a Bear. We're gonna build a toilet every day for the next 7 days, just like you did Jesus. I'm gonna do you. It ain't fuck me, it's fuck you. I'm gonna put your pictures on the toilet, and I'm gonna take the toilet in public places. Since we having this 10-foot distance rule, dog, I'm gonna put the toilet in a very public place and let you look at it from a distance. Then I'm gonna videotape this shit. All right. This is Patricia Cook, Bank of America, right there. Patricia Cook is my account manager. All right. And Patricia Cook cut a video already. Patricia Cook is on my side. Y'all owe me $2.6 million in lost wages, defamation of character, and libelous statements. You feel me? This is my motion to squash the subpoena, protective order. Because y'all filed a protective order on me because I dug in y'all's ass. But I filed a motion to squash that so we can go about that. This is the director of the Baltimore County Detention Center. File a subpoena for that too. Defendants Exhibit A. Because we're going to take that Jailhouse Diary and we're going to take that hour-and-a-half interview with Adam May and we're going to put that bitch in front of the grand jury. If it don't go in front of the grand jury, it's evidence for my Supreme Court. See that? 2013, October 2013. Office of the Clerk of the Supreme Court of the United States. Guide to Prospective Indigent Petitions of Writ of Certiorari. I'm an indigent. I'm poor and homeless. I don't have no money. I ain't filed no taxes. Y'all owe me. So on that note, grand jury or Supreme Court? Because my evidence with your evidence gonna make a lot of sense. And we're gonna go straight to the horse's mouth with this one. See that? That's a subpoena. Case number C12-10625. State Attorney Scott Shellenberger, 401 Bosley Avenue. All videos, all legal material given to you since 2008. Copy of all charges your office has charged me with falsely. All material and film from 2010. Yeah. That's filed in 2013, 2/26/2013, February, Black History Month. That's legal mail. This is your lawyer, Mr. Fields. All right? Because when I come up in there and y'all don't have 2 words to say to me when I come to y'all's county board meetings, because y'all know when you open your mouth, I'm going to fuck you. I'm going to skull fuck you. That's Governor O'Malley. That's Congressman Cummings, Senator Hardin, Senator Mikulski, Richard McFeely, the FBI, Judge Bell, Judge Pearson, Judge Turnbull, Judge Boris, Governor Quinn, Eric Holder, Gail King, and Bank of America. So on that note, I'm building a toilet this week, 7 days. And I'm going to do it live on Facebook, live on Twitter, and I'm going to put it on YouTube. Y'all charge me with terrorism. I'm going to terrorize you with the truth. In Jesus' name, I'm going to do these things. Mic check.